Question number 111. Choose the correct match with respect to the monocot embryo. First option, coleoptile, undifferentiated sheath-like structure. Second, coleorhiza, holofoliar structure. Third, epiblast, remains of second cotyledon. Fourth, scutellum, part of embryonal axis. You have to choose the correctly matched option. Coleoptile, undifferentiated sheath-like structure. No, it is true for coleorhiza. Coleorhiza, holofoliar structure. No, it is true for coleoptile. So you can reverse both of them. Epiblast, remains of second cotyledon. True. Scutellum, part of embryonal axis. No, scutellum is the single cotyledon in the monocot. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 112. Nucellus is not completely consumed and remains inside the seed of. First option, maize. Second, barley. Third, beet. Fourth, pea. You should know when nucellus is not completely consumed and it remains in the seed, it is called perisperm. And this type of seed which contains perisperm is called perispermic seed. Perispermic seed is not present in maize, barley and pea. Hence these options are ruled out. Beet has a perispermic seed. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Question number 113. Read the given statements and select the option accordingly. A. Apomictic embryos are genetically same and they can be called clones. B. Apomictic seeds can be very useful in maintaining hybrid traits as they prevent segregation of characters of the hybrid variety. First option, only B is false. Second, only A is false. Third, both A and B are false. Fourth, both A and B are true. What are apomictic seeds? Apomictic seeds are the seeds which are produced without fertilization. There is no fertilization in the apomictic seeds. Apomictic seeds contain apomictic embryos. These embryos develop directly from the diploid cells, not from the zygote. Hence, these apomictic seeds are genetically same and hence they can be called clones. So this is true. Because the production of apomictic seeds does not involve meiosis, hence there is no segregation of characters during crossing over. Hence they can maintain the hybrid characters in the hybrid variety. So this is also true. So both A and B are true. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 114. Some flowers of common pansy do not require pollinators for their pollination, but still this property is not very useful for the plants because first option, their yield is reduced. Second, their flowers do not remain attractive. Third, they will have limited genetic diversity. Fourth, their flower will become nectarless. The flowers of common pansy do not require pollinators because these flowers are clistogamous. Clistogamous flowers do not open, they never expose their sex organs. Hence, only self-pollination takes place in these flowers. Due to occurrence of self-pollination, they have limited genetic diversity. There will be no variations in these flowers. So, the yield is reduced? No. Their flowers do not remain attractive? No. They will have limited genetic diversity as they undergo self-pollination always. So this is correct. Fourth, their flowers will become nectarless? No. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 115. Eichhornia and Wellisneria are common in having. First option, same type of pollinator. Second, aquatic habitat. Third, bright colored fragrant flowers. Fourth, unwettable stigma. Eichhornia is water hyacinth. So, water hyacinth and Wellisneria are common in having. Eichhornia is pollinated by insect. So, it shows entomophily, and Wellisneria by water, so it shows hydrophily. So they don't have same type of pollinators. So this option is ruled out. Third, in having bright colored fragrant flowers. No. In hydrophily, bright colored fragrant flowers are not required at all, but in case of insect pollinated plants, yes, it is required. So it cannot be common in both the plants. So this option is ruled out. Fourth is unwettable stigma. Unwettable stigma is not found in Eichhornia. So this option is also ruled out. Second, that is aquatic habitat. Yes, both the plants are aquatic plants. So this is the common feature between two. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. It will be very interesting for you people to know that Eichhornia and Vallisneria both are aquatic plants, but Eichhornia, even being an aquatic plant, is not pollinated by water. It is pollinated by insect. Let's move on to the next question.